So how I make this yummy rice you are seeing here, like guys. So I'm so hungry. I want to warm meat pie and eat first before I start cooking because I'm hungry. So I want to make lunch. I've not taken breakfast. So I just remember I have meat pie in my freezer. So I said let me warm it and eat. So I will have strength to make this food. Here are my rice. So I want to make my rice. I'm using butter. I like using butter than using groundnut oil. Like either I use butter or olive oil is more better. So I want the butter to give me that jollof rice vibe, guys. So I put water in the pot. I want the water to boil, so I will parboil my rice. And I noticed something, guys. After putting water in my pot, I noticed that this water is dirty. Something is not right. I now take a white plate and see. I noticed that the water is dirty. I think it's because they are working in my area. They are doing renovation in our building and other buildings. I don't know. Maybe it's the reason why the water is dirty. I don't know. So I now want to pour the water away, and I took bottled water. Like guys, to wash this rice is difficult because the water is not enough. 2 liter bottled water I use to wash this rice before I get satisfied. So guys, I pour that water away and I put another one. So guys, I want to parboil my rice, and after parboiling it I will start frying it. So right now I want to wash my rice. It's because this water is dirty, that's why this rice is difficult for me to wash. I wish the water is clean. That one will not be a problem now, Abba. So guys, if just coming across my channel for your first time, please hit the red button and like this video and share it, guys. So I'm about to fry my jollof rice. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm washing this rice. Like, it's really difficult to wash, so I'm done washing it. I'm going to be frying my ingredients right now. So I've already blended my onions and my pepper together aside. So right now I want to put my butter in the pot so that the butter will melt properly before putting my onions and the rest of the things. So guys, butter is so good to cook your rice. Really, butter is so good. Try it. Do not use oil. Just put cooking butter on your fry pan and allow it to melt. Put your onions, like put your tin tomatoes, put everything you need to put, and later you will see the taste of that rice is different, guys. It's so different. Right now I'm putting my tin tomatoes. I'm using just little tin tomatoes to cook it, only one can of tin tomatoes. Too much of tin tomatoes is not too good. So after I will put my blended onions and pepper. Okay, here is my dry onions. I'm adding dry onions as well, and now I'm putting my ingredients, those jollof rice ingredients, little by little, just putting them, and voila, that is it. So I'm turning it, I'm stirring it. Right now I'm putting my blended pepper and onions. I will allow it to cook. I will put some water, I will cover it up, allow it to cook for some time. And I don't know about you, me, if I'm cooking, I like cleaning. As I'm cooking, I'm washing my things. It's very important, because after finish cooking I will not be stressing myself. I will not be coming to be washing the things I used to cook. Like this is so easy for me. After cooking I will just walk away. So guys, the next thing, I will be putting my rice inside the water. This water, I will be putting my rice. Now I put my Maggi, put some water, cover it to cook very well. So I've put my rice, guys. I need the rice to cook, and I will come back, and you need to test it if your ingredients are okay, if it's okay. So right now my rice is ready. You need to put more onions, fresh onions, so that you will feel that onions in your food. If you love onions. And I put a little bit of butter. Here is my rice. Voila. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please kindly hit the subscribe button.